Welcome to our channel. Are you planning a magical Minnie Mouse themed birthday party? Whether it's for your little one or someone special, we've got you covered with enchanting decoration ideas that will bring the Disney magic to life. This video about Minnie Mouse birthday decorations, providing you with creative and practical solutions. Let's dive in. What are the essential colors for a Minnie Mouse themed party? The classic Minnie Mouse color palette includes red, white, black, and pink. Red and white polka dots are iconic, but incorporating pink adds a softer touch, especially for younger children. Black accents, like Minnie's ears, help tie the theme together. You can also add metallics like gold or silver to give the party a more glamorous or princess-inspired vibe. Matching these colors across tableware, banners, and balloons keeps the theme cohesive. How can I create a Minnie Mouse balloon arch? A balloon arch is a show-stopping centerpiece. Use red, white, and black balloons to mimic Minnie's classic look. You can purchase a balloon arch kit or DIY using a balloon strip, balloons, and a pump. Enhance the look with polka dot balloons and oversized foam Minnie ears at the top. Finish the arch with a large red or pink bow to really tie it all together and make it pop in pictures. If you love where this is going, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more creative party inspiration. What DIY decorations can I make for the party? DIY decorations add a personal touch and can help save money. Make Minnie Mouse centerpieces with black foam balls for ears and red bows on top. Create a happy birthday banner using Minnie's silhouette cutouts and polka dot scrapbook paper. You can also print cupcake toppers, wall signs, and photo booth props at home for added flair and personalization. How can I make Minnie Mouse party hats? Use black cardstock to form cone-shaped hats, attach circular ears on each side, and glue on a red or pink bow in the center. You can also add glitter or polka dot paper to dress up the hats. Consider letting each child decorate their own with stickers or glitter for an interactive craft activity during the party. Got your own DIY ideas? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to feature your creativity in a future video. What are some creative table centerpiece ideas? Create themed centerpieces using mason jars filled with red candies or gumballs and top with mini cutouts on sticks. Tie polka dot ribbon around the jars for extra charm. You can also use small Minnie Mouse plush toys or a faux cake with mini toppers as your centerpiece. How can I set up a Minnie Mouse photo booth? Design a backdrop with red and white polka dot fabric or a shimmering curtain. Add Minnie Mouse ears, bow headbands, and fun Disney-themed props. Label it Minnie's Selfie Station and include a standing frame or chalkboard sign to guide guests for picture-perfect moments. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to share this video with anyone planning a party. They'll thank you later. What food items match the Minnie Mouse theme? Serve cupcakes with red frosting and white sugar pearls to mimic polka dots, cookies shaped like Minnie's head, and a themed cake with a bow topper. You can also create Minnie's bow tie pasta, fruit skewers with red grapes and strawberries, and use polka dot cupcake wrappers for added theme consistency. Are there any Minnie Mouse themed games for kids? Absolutely pin the bow on Minnie Bingo and a scavenger hunt for Mickey. Mini cutouts are always hits. You could also set up a bow making station with felt and glue for a fun DIY craft. Prizes like mini stickers or coloring books can make these games even more exciting. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next party-themed video. We've got amazing ideas. How can I make Minnie Mouse invitations? Cut invitations into the shape of Minnie's head using black cardstock and add a red or pink bow. Write the party details on the back or on a printable insert glued in place. You can also design digital invites with mini graphics and polka dot backgrounds to send via email or messaging apps. What party favors align with the Minnie Mouse theme? Hand out Minnie Mouse ears, themed stickers, bracelets, or tiny plush toys. Place them in red or pink goodie bags with polka dot ribbon and a "Thank you from Minnie" tag. You could even personalize each bag with the guest's name for a thoughtful touch. Drop a comment and let us know your go-to party favor. We love hearing your fun and original ideas. How can I decorate the party entrance? Welcome guests with a balloon arch and a large sign that says, "Welcome to Name's Minnie Mouse Party." Use cutouts of Minnie and Mickey on either side of the door. Lay down a red carpet or themed mat and hang ribbons or banners above the entrance for extra wow factor. What are some ideas for a Minnie Mouse cake? Design a cake in the shape of Minnie's head or make a tiered cake with red, black, and white frosting and edible polka dots. Add a fondant bow and Minnie topper for that signature look. Cupcake towers with themed liners and bows also make a stunning centerpiece. Don't forget to like and share if you're getting inspired. Your party is going to be unforgettable. What are the best ways to create a Minnie Mouse atmosphere for a birthday party? Start with a pink and red color theme and polka dot accents. Use Minnie Mouse wall decals and table centerpieces. Finish with Minnie-inspired treats and goodie bags. If you make your party planning easy and fun with the right, make sure subscribe this channel. Every smile, every bow, and every moment at your Minnie Mouse party is a memory in the making. It doesn't take a big budget, it just takes a bit of creativity, a sprinkle of planning, and a whole lot of love. Whether you're doing this for your child, niece, sibling, or even a friend, remember, the magic is in the details and the joy you bring to the room. If this video helped you at all, please like, share, and comment below your favorite tip or what you're planning. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next party planning guide. And if you want a full printable checklist, it's in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.